All right, today we're gonna bring an XR case, and now this is all including. Not only that, they actually include a screen protector to it. If you don't have one, it's a perfect combination. Now we're gonna open it up, but first of all, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out to us for review. So let's go ahead and open it up. First thing you see is actually screen protector accessories. You get one, you get two, and then you actually get the screen protectors. All right, so you get one here, and then you get two. All right, so simple. And then the case, of course, the case, if you guys can see it, it's rugged, very simple, and you can still wirelessly charge. It has two sets of base of it, right? There's a plastic, like more of the silicone and more of the hard shell one, right? Very simple to easy to use. If you don't want to use the top one, you could just use this one, but don't recommend it because there is a little leveling that has to be set up. So just maybe marry them together, and that's how you do it. But to set it up, you can do that. All right, so we're gonna replace it to the existing one. Now I do not need screen protectors, but I'm glad they added that right now. The next one, if you guys notice, I am gonna replace it later down the line. So what you want to do is remove the actual casing itself, right? And just all you gotta do is marry it. If you guys can see, it's perfect fitting in the back. Very simple, easy to set up. All the buttons, everything's well built in here. The charging station and the microphones fit perfectly, if you guys can see that. If in the back, if you guys can see, the camera fits perfect. All right, I like the case itself, all right? I like that the buttons are simple, flexible. Everything fits very well and very simple to actually remove. If you ever want to remove it, you remove the first layer first and then you remove the shell. So replacing the actual case is very simple. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.